Hi friends, I'm back again and today we will talk about how habits make us a victim and how habits create ill health. You know what? Habits trap us in a psychological prison, and because of this, it eventually leads to health issue and then to chronic lifestyle diseases. We end up with tension and relationship issues. It's important to understand the role of habits and learn how to break habits which are not good for our health. Let's start with a story. A man goes to buy the Indian national flag, and when the shopkeeper shows him different sizes of the flag, the buyer says something that shocks the shopkeeper and other people in the shop. Can you please show me some other colors of the national flag? I like this size, but can I have it in a different color? Friends, it's almost as if he had to say something. Just for the sake of saying something, this is called a habit. Most of the people are so used to asking for variety in every item, like food they eat, the clothes we wear, everything, that sometimes they don't realize that the original is non-negotiable and that it comes without options. ये जो हमारा खूबसूरत शरीर हमें मिला है, माइंड, बॉडी एंड सोल, ये भी ओरिजिनल है and it is non-negotiable and it does not come with options. We need to take care of our mind, body and soul. Friends, this story is a wake-up call. Habits make you weak and eventually they become gateways that allow illness to easily slide into your life through your negative thought patterns and through your likes and dislikes of foods and activities that you need to do on a daily basis. ये जो हैबिट्स होती है ना, ज़्यादा बोलने की, बिना सोचे बोलने की, ज़्यादा खाना खाने की, ज़्यादा सोने की, ये जब आपको वीक बनाती है तो आपकी इम्यूनिटी बहुत गिर जाती है, और जब इम्यूनिटी लो हो जाती है then you know you're walking into the illness zone. So learn to break these habits. Don't become a victim of them. And it's very easy to break these habits. We'll just talk about them now. Friends, developing good habits is not very difficult. ये बहुत आसान है. ये कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. ये सिंपल है, इजी है, डुएबल है. पहले आपको अपने पे यकीन होना चाहिए कि मेरे को स्वस्थ रहना है. और आप स्वस्थ क्यों रहना चाहेंगे? अपने लिए. आप स्वस्थ रहना चाहेंगे अपने पीस ऑफ माइंड के लिए, अपनी फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स को बेटर करने के लिए. यू वुड बी हैविंग एम्पल ऑफ रीजंस. यू फाइंड योर ओन रीजन. I will share one beautiful, very simple way to develop good habit. That is, आप सबने सुना हुआ है, एक चुप 100 सुख. Silence is the best way to create good habits. क्या आप जानते हैं, साइलेंस का भी अपना एक थॉट पैटर्न होता है. जिस तरह से हमारी बॉडी में सेल्स होते हैं and they are loaded with antioxidants, silence can also solve and handle situations very wisely, just like antioxidants. I would like to tell you कि when you are in silence, आपका जो माइंड है ना, वो चैटर नहीं करता, अपने से बात नहीं करता, वो रेपिटेटिव नेगेटिव थॉट से बाहर आ जाता है। और अब जब आपका माइंड जो रेस्ट में होता है, रेस्टफुल हो जाता है, तो वो अपने ओरिजिनल माइंडफुल स्टेट में होता है। एंड ये जो है आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ को बहुत इम्प्रूव करता है। और जब आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ इम्प्रूव होती है तो फिजिकल हेल्थ भी इम्प्रूव होने लगती है। आपकी फिजिकल हेल्थ इम्प्रूव होती है, आपकी सेल्फ एस्टीम हाई होती है। आपकी सेल्फ एस्टीम हाई होती है तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है। एंड देन यू फाइंड इट वेरी इजी टू कम आउट ऑफ विक्टिम मेंटालिटी, बिकॉज यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग वेरी पीसफुल एंड calm within yourself. Let me share another very interesting story. Once, Mr. Champak, a very busy and successful executive, comes home totally exhausted and tired. His wife was very concerned. She immediately served him some snacks, and the children got him some cold drink, and they switched on the AC to make their father comfortable. "Papa, you look so tired," said the kid. His wife said, "Oh my dear, I hope all was well in the office." And Mr. Champak replied, "Oh my God, what a tough day today. It was horrible. Today our office computers broke down. It was hell, and all of us had to do our own thinking." So friends, we are so used to this technology that it's become a habit not to use or exercise our mind. And when technology is not available and we have to use our brains or our mind, we get totally exhausted and tired. So friends, let's use simple methods and simple habits to create wellness for ourselves, good health for ourselves, physically, mentally, emotionally, financially, socially, and spiritually. Just remember to do exercise every day, keep positive attitude, always smile and be happy, and be grateful for everything that you have. Let's not crib for what we don't have. Take adequate rest and eat well. Eat clean, eat fresh, eat green. खाना पका के खाइए, गला के नहीं और सड़ा के नहीं. And chew your food well. Simple habits can take you away from victim mentality. Always create happy thoughts for people. Be grateful for everything that you have, for every part of your body. And remember the principle, एक चुप सौ सुख. Silence is bliss. And in the end, remember, your mind is the most powerful weapon. Keep it calm and peaceful to create the best that you can be. And दोस्तों, जब ये आपकी हैबिट्स जो हैं, ये फॉर्म्ड हैबिट्स बन जाएंगी, जब अभी आप इनको बार बार रिपीट करेंगे, they will become a part of your life. Part of your life like breathing. It's a part of your life. And your mind is so powerful. It's the most powerful weapon that you have with you right now. So उसको हमेशा शांत रखिए, peaceful रखिए, and create a beautiful, peaceful world for yourself and for everyone else. Wait for the next video where we'll be discussing more in detail.